Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 3, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me my home screen is already open and visible. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture on that screenshot is visible right now on your screen. Once that is the case, all you need to do is press and hold power button and volume down. You have a flash and a pop-up with edit and the share options, and after a moment this pop-up will disappear, at which point you can find your screenshot in your Photos application. So it will show up somewhere in the Photos tab right here, and if you just captured it, it should be somewhere at the top. As you can see, for me it's right over here, screenshots. Actually, it looks like it's right here, so it shows you albums in this kind of wonky manner. So the album that you're looking for is labeled screenshots. As you can see, I have 129 screenshots on this device, but this is the most recent one, so it's showing up at the very start. You can tap on the text itself and this will take you to the entire screenshot album, and you can find whatever screenshot you're looking for. That being said, this is the one that I captured as an example. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.